Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court asks Centre to ensure appointment of child marriage probation officers in every district. Consumer Protection Act, a social benefit oriented legislation. Courts have to adopt liberal approach while construing its provisions, says Supreme Court. Bar Council of Delhi issues circular to reissue fresh identity cards for all advocates registered with the body. Another case of defamation filed against Rahul Gandhi, this time by kin of Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Social media presence of accused in defamation case a relevant consideration, holds Madras High Court. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. A bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala of the Supreme Court asked the central government to ensure appointment of child marriage probation officers in every district, as provided by the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. The top court further directed the centre to specify the steps being taken by it to make the said act enforceable effectively. The directions come on a plea filed by an NGO, Society for Enlightenment and Voluntary Action, which claimed that the act was not being enforced in letter and spirit. The Supreme Court bench, comprising Justices Ajay Rastogi and C.T. Ravikumar, while delivering its judgment on a batch of appeals filed by an insurance firm against a 2004 verdict of the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, which had held that a person who takes insurance policy to cover the envisaged risk does not take the policy for the commercial purpose, said that the importance of the act lies in promoting welfare of the society by enabling the consumer to participate directly in the market economy, and that the Consumer Protection Act is a social benefit oriented legislation, construing the provisions of which the courts have to adopt a liberal approach. The Bar Council of Delhi has issued a circular stating that new identity cards shall be issued for all advocates registered with it, and the advocates shall apply with the attested copy of their Aadhaar card, copy of enrollment certificate and the certificate of practice in cases where it is required. The BCD in its circular stated that identity cards shall be issued free of cost to those who apply within the period of 1 month from 1st May 2023 to 31st May 2023, and that the permanent identity card shall be valid for 10 years and the provisional IDs for a period of 2 years. Satyaki Savarkar, who is the grandnephew of freedom fighter Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, filed a criminal defamation case against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, alleging that Gandhi has repeatedly made derogatory, disrespectful and defamatory statements against Vinayak Savarkar during his recent visit to the United Kingdom. The complaint mentions that Gandhi has intentionally made false, malicious and wild allegations against Savarkar, fully knowing the said allegations to be untrue, with the specific objective of harming the reputation and to defame the surname Savarkar and to hurt the feelings of the family of late Savarkar. The petitioner called Gandhi a habitual offender and sought for the Congress leader to be summoned and tried in accordance with law, and also sought for the maximum imprisonment and compensation. Justice Senthil Kumar Ramamurthy of the Madras High Court, while hearing a defamation case between former BJP IT wing state president Nirmal Kumar and DMK minister Senthil Balaji, observed that the social media presence of the accused, including the number of followers, views garnered on posts, etc., are relevant considerations while deciding interlocutory applications and applications for deletion of posts. The court said that the speed and frequency with which messages can be disseminated to users of social media platforms and the interactive nature of these platforms would be a material consideration. The court restrained Kumar from making unsubstantiated claims of corruption against the minister Balaji. However, it was clarified that the present injunction does not apply to new allegations if they are backed by facts and evidence. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.